What's Gucci, boys and girls? So right now I'm driving to Kyle's house and pick up my Ford 8.8 parts and some other cool things. Let's go see. Alright guys, what's up Kyle? How you doing, bro? Is that all my parts?
Yeah, Santa Claus.
Is this my differential?
Yeah, Santa Claus brought you some goodies.
Oh,
Early.
Christmas present.
Oh yeah.
Shiba is paying for my Ford rear end.
Sponsored by Shiba.
Yes. Sponsorship. How you doing, brother?
Good.
What is this?
Those are the fender flares.
Oh, the flares. Yeah, that's true. What is? Oh, this is that.
Those are
The transmission spacer.
and then those are the for the transmission.
Oh, what is this? Is the differential here too?
Oh yeah.
In the garage?
Yeah. It's inside the house. It's heavy.
It's. You want me to help you?
Yeah. It's heavy.
Okay, let's go. We're gonna leave this presents outside. Hopefully nobody steals it.
Yeah.
Wait, this is the LSD. The LSD. All right. Oh, it's heavy. The LSD. And that's the differential. Damn, that's heavy. Whew. I love America. bro, I'm loving this. We're gonna have in my BMW a Ford, bro.
Ignore that.
Ignore that.
Yeah.
Just the
Yeah.
performance. No, I'm just kidding. I love Ford. Their rear ends are great.
Yeah.
Let's do this, guys.
Found on roadside ditch.
Do we have a knife to open it? This is heavy, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, boys and girls, let's see it. Kyle, let's see this baby. Let's see this Ford performance part.
You're gonna have to paint that.
Yeah. Man, the bushings are good though. This is the one you guys need. What's this one? Alright. We got solid bushings now. Oh, you got there's solid bushings too came out, right?
Mm-hmm. Not yet.
No, not yet.
Monday.
Okay. Monday, okay.
Monday or Tuesday.
And you can just take it out or something.
Ooh, stickers! You gonna put that on the BMW?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's gonna make it faster.
Oh
It
yeah.
says Ford on it. Is he gonna put that on the BMW?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's gonna make it faster.
Okay.
Ooh, look at that.
Damn, that looks clean, huh?
Yeah, package really good.
This is Ford performance though. Alright, boys and girls, we got the LSD insert.
Shiny.
Green, even though I'm not
Bling,
gonna see
bling.
that stuff. It's green, not bling bling. Just kidding, bro.
Green
Look.
bling.
Yes, sir. LSD insert. Alright, boys and girls. Bro, this is so dope. Damn. Look at that. We got Ford in here. Look. Yeah, we're gonna sandblast it. Oh, it's so heavy. Actually, it's not heavy. I can work out like this.
Who needs the gym?
Alright, let me see the keys. Let's open this thing. And this, guys, is Sims Legit Garage adapter to transmission, so we can make a one-piece custom drive shaft, and here locally, Sacramento. I mean Mexico. Alright. Woo!
Ooh,
Guys,
more
check this
stickers. Oh,
Look at that.
That's another like 50 horsepower right there. Look at that.
Seems
It
legit
even says
sticker.
BMW, it has a BMW.
Okay, you can take it off. Open it
Yeah.
up.
I'm gonna
Let's
put this
see-
on the Mercedes right over here.
Yes.
You know, on the
yes,
trunk.
Yes. Okay, now let's see. Let's see how nice it looks. Oh, nice. Really high quality, guys.
Bling bling. Now you can put a chain on there. And you can wear it too.
Yes, sir. Right here.
Yeah. Be like Flava Flav.
Seems legit garage. Look at that.
Oh yeah, 24 karat gold. Look at that. Woo!
That's so dope, huh?
Yeah.
Man, I love America. this is to raise my car, but we're not gonna use it no more because we already got the other parts. And now, which keys you want me to use? This one, right? And this, guys, is the flares. The flares, we're gonna install them because my car doesn't look so good at all.
The fake wide body.
Yes. Actually, not bad.
Nope. Yeah, once you get it all painted up and stuff.
Yeah. Huh? Mm-hmm. Oh, we can install different way. We can go like this.
Yeah, they're bendable.
Oh, okay. Yeah. How we? All right, guys. So this is how it's gonna look like. Not bad, huh? Actually, that looks really good, guys. Look, just look at that. Way better, guys. Oh wow. Oh wow, guys, this looks so much better, guys. I'm super happy. Wow. Not bad, huh, boys and girls? What do you guys think? Actually, that looks way better than I thought. Wow. And look, this metal over here actually closes in this piece. So there's no, you know what I mean? This metal, it closes the piece inside. So basically, this is actually looks super clean. Wow. Oh, wow. So now all we need to do is we already order the axles, G-force from
Wednesday.
They said it?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hopefully Mike sent me the installation kit for the forward rear end, and we already ordered the axles. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm so mad. The axles are gonna be so dope. They're a little bit pricey, but they're so nice. And we already have everything except axles, and then we gotta order the drive shaft. When we're gonna install the rear end, we're gonna measure, and we got a shop here in Sacramento that does for only $400, but I'm not going there for the price. I'm going there because the shop is doing a lot of race cars, and they've been doing this for many years. They're like an old school shop. Many people that I know did M3 rear ends, and they got that piece. It's nice fat piece, and one piece. It's only one piece instead of two-piece OEM. So we're gonna lose less power to the wheels. We're gonna basically make more power. We're not gonna make more power on the engine, but less power is gonna come out because of less flex from the OEM. Because you see how small the OEM is? Mm-hmm. It's not small. I mean, it has two pieces. So all we gotta do is get those axles. They already ordered them. All we gotta do is do the drive shaft and 28 tires. I mean, that's pretty much it. We're gonna change the oil and install the LSD inside, and that's pretty much it. Guys, I love buying parts. Makes me so happy. Full trunk of parts. This is so cool.
Who needs a truck?
Kyle, thank you so much. Yeah, Kyle, thank you so much for ordering everything, bro.
Yep.
He saves me so much. It's just so much better. Okay, guys, now we're gonna order tires. Some 28s. We're gonna order 28 times 10.5, 15. That's gonna be at 265 or 270. Yeah, I think it's 270 tires. About 275. But not a full 275.
Alex is taking side bets right now, so
for the
make
race?
your mark. Oh yeah.
For the racing?
Who's number one? Who's going?
Who's coming? Who's gonna get first? Gapped first.
Yep.
Tell me, guys.
Come get it.
Man, I'm so happy, bro.
Back in Gap business.
I'm so happy. Super happy about everything. Thank you, Kyle, for everything, for ordering.
Yeah, no worries.
For ordering and waiting here for me.
Yeah.
At the house, mom is gonna kill him. This is such a nice day today, guys. It's California. I love California. Yeah. I mean Mexico. Yeah. You work at Honda? Right? You work at Honda?
No.
You just wear it? You just wear it?
Yeah, it's a nice shirt. Yeah, it's
bro, come on. You have a BMW 335 and you work at Honda. Hey, let's see your BMW. Let's go see your BMW. Let's go see your BMW. Let's go show people what he has. He has Dynamic Autoworks Flow Max Plus turbos, just like me. He used to have MMP Stage 3. But Dynamic Autoworks Flow Max Plus are much bigger turbos. And he's just taking care of some issues right now. I think with the PCV system or something, right?
Yeah, I think it's a valve cover gasket.
Oh, the valve cover gasket is leaking. This is the beautiful car he has, guys. Look at that. Look at the plates. Twin fed. And it's smog check too. Yep. How'd you smog it?
Legit.
Guys, look at this. It's so clean. This thing is so clean. But he needs a paint correction.
Yep. I know.
His tires?
Yeah, his name's Alex.
His tires are not race tires. What? I'm kidding. Yeah. Look at that, guys. That's our tuner. Our tuner is the same tuner. Jason, You're the best tuner ever. Thank you so much for making us fast. We're gonna get a 9-second pass. You'll see. We got you, Jason. Wow, R8 coils.
Beamer live.
He has you have so much more space than me. I don't understand why, bro. My car has a lot less space. Oh, because I have inlets coming out this way. I forgot. I got inlets coming out. Inlets coming out. You got the old school inlets.
Still aftermarket.
I'm just kidding, bro. They're good. They're good. This car was making 653 wheel horsepower or something. Or 646.
It was 656 wheel horsepower, 640 torque.
Nice, nice.
On old MMP turbos.
And these turbos are much bigger, guys. Like, I might put a picture in there or a couple pictures to show you guys how much bigger the Fomax Plus are. Hopefully everything's gonna be good, and Kyle's gonna go back and road soon. Thank you so much for watching the video. We are about to order 28s. I'm gonna show a picture right now. We're gonna go. Alex, the Russian, comment, like, subscribe. Just when you guys liking the video, more people gets to see it. I really appreciate for everything. You guys have a great day. Let's go run a 9-second car. Let's go run a 9-second pass. Right? Are we gonna do it or no?
Oh yeah.
This time we were supposed to run a 9-second pass. I mean, like, we did everything with the car already. We already put a freaking Ford rear end soon in the car to run a 9-second pass. It has to run a 9-second pass now. This one should be able to run 10s.
10's no
right?
problem. Oh yeah.
Let's get my tires for you and just install them and run some fast times. All right, guys. Peace out.